In this video, I will explain you about the feature Receive Goods for Contract Warehouse. To have the option available, you will need to enable the option Receive Goods for Contract Warehousing from Administration, Purchasing and Warehouse Settings. This option helps to record the transactions where transfer of inventory is done from third party to your company for storage purpose. Once this option is enabled, the batch tracking option also gets enabled automatically. Both the options cannot be disabled if there are transactions posted in the database. Using batch tracking in receipt or safe custody of inventories gives an opportunity to know how long the goods were stored in your company warehouse and helps in calculating the cost of storage. To record such transaction, you will need to create an invoice receipt document from purchase module with transaction type as receipt from safe custody. Let's create one. Open purchase module, click on invoice receipt document, click on create option to create a new invoice receipt document. In the main page, change the transaction type to receipt for safe custody and fill all the required details. Add the warehouse where the inventories will be stored, change the entity details, choose the right company and its contract. In the Inventory tab, fill in the inventory item details along with the batch. Add the item, batch, and the price. It will be better to use batch name in the format, company, and then date. Adding the company and date under description provides better information in the report and makes it easy to understand which batch belongs to which company. Let me show you an example of one such batch with that format. Select batch field, click on the batch field arrow, click on Show All to open the list of batch, or click on Create Item to create a new batch. Add the description with the required format, that is with the company name and the date. Change the batch owner to Habib Storage and save and close. Once all the details are filled, post the document. This document will add the inventories with the other inventories in the warehouse. Let me show you with a report. Go to Warehouse module, open Stock Balance Report by Warehouses. You can see the item has been added to the warehouse selected in the document, that is the main warehouse. To register the return of the goods to the client from the entity's warehouse, you will need to record an invoice with transaction type as return from safe custody. Let's create an invoice document with such case. Go to Sales module, open Invoice Documents, click on Create option. In the main page, change the transaction type to return from safe custody and fill in all required details in the relevant tabs. Choose the same company, entity, the warehouse. In the Inventory tab, choose the item to be returned with all the relevant details like the batch, price, and its quantity. Once all the details are filled, post the document. Once you post this document, the inventories will be removed from the report. Refer the stock balance report again, generate. You'll find the balance has reduced to 5 now. For the storage service provided to the third party, you will need to record a separate invoice document with transaction type as sales to customer and add the services under Inventory and Service tab. In case you frequently receive inventories for safe custody, invoice with the charges should be recorded at the end of the months instead of recording it every time on return from safe custody. Thank you for watching the video.